Hello, kiddos. This is To the Sky. To the sky from the earth in lofty flight, from the hills so green in the blush of spring, so away with thee shall I fly. Shall I fly from this place to a land so far away? Softly now with the dawn I will ride with the wind o'er the hills through the mist on the wings of thee. Spirit fly to the cloud up above. Spirit fly to a place beyond the sky. Spirit fly to a place on high. Softly now with the dawn I go with thee. You gotta hold it to the very end. This song has a long intro and it has a kind of long ending. Okay, at the very end, we have some poco RIT. That means poco retard. That means we're gonna slow down. And then right here it says a tempo, it gets back. And then again, retard right here. And we're gonna slow down again till the end, okay? Um, yes, make sure that you practice. Make sure that you pronounce all those consonants. Lots of breathing, lots of breathing. If your tummy doesn't hurt, then you're not breathing hard enough, okay? For practice reasons, make sure that you hold it out and squeeze out all that breath, okay? Practice makes perfect. If you just breathe and you don't practice stretching that, then it's not going to happen. So make sure that you practice your breathing. Do those milkshake exercises. A good thing to do would also be to bubble this song. See how that's all on one breath? And then you can do it on words. To the sky from the earth in lofty flight. That's how long your phrases should be, okay? Only breathe after those commas. Okie dokie. Happy practicing.